everybody, today this is my first like TBD video, which means that those are my most favorite videos. So guys, and I'm gonna show you my vlog. I forgot. Hello everybody, today my name is Elijah B, and just call me Elijah or Elijah B for my classmates. Don't call me Joanne, because I heard from a few of my comments that someone said John. Someone called me John, but I'm not John. I'm Elijah B for silver. So you call my hair. And then call my hair, so I go upstairs. That's just Inner Circle to the bus song. My face, I'm still shaking. This is my papa. He's doing something.
Idol.
Show you my dog. There's one for big opportunities. Make sure you don't open the gate. Look, get out. He doesn't want to get out. He's staying there. Make sure you I didn't open the gate, I just did like hit by the about the white dude. Show you about me. It's a pug. His name is Barker. Ako na ladder. This is broken. Oh, something is stuck in here. I think this is fixed or still broken. Let's check. My papa keeps on promising that I'm gonna fix it, It's getting broken. Let's get clear out there. Okay, some wood, there are plenty of wood for trampolines of Turo bus. Actually, not kind of set because I don't want the camera to fall down. That's why you can. So I have another video. Well, this is my day 5 right now. So I'm climbing up the coasters. Wait, and then when Papa will see this, he will be mad, so I'm gonna go down. This is what they actually use for posting rock in the woods. This is just a spray gun, and this is a sword in real life. This is a sword. Yeah, this is a sword. This is a sword. All these are knives, and this is the only sword. And the rest are knives except one, the sword. Sorry guys, I'm just 7 years old, and I'm just too young to make TBC.
Oh, saan?
I'm gonna make a TBC.
Ha? Gamit sa sunugan. Gamit sunugan. Ako sa to sa iba. Ako sa sunugan.
Again, I don't want to show you this because it's the story of naked, but I don't say it. I'm not showing around the house. Here are packs of shirts. And this, and I'm not showing around the house. It's just a day a video vlog. And here I have a charger. My toys and my toys and my toys and my toys. Everywhere, scattered everywhere. I go back and I go case. It's called green, and here's what it looks like. All my Legos. Yeah, but let's go please. Plenty of Legos. Plenty of Legos. Here's my Lego. It's tail. He turned into blood. First, he let me be part of his build team. So Theo is not anymore. He turned into a good guy. So I just played it earlier. After I made the day for my video vlog, I played it and he was like, "Hey, you turned into you're part of the build team." And I was like, "Theo, you became good now." My tummy hurts. Sorry guys. My tummy hurts. Bye, and thanks for watching. Subscribe, and you should subscribe me. Bye.